Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Make Elements from Household Materials. Today's element is going to be antimony. To begin, some antimony 3 oxide was purchased from a pottery supply store, and 25 grams was measured out. Next, 1.7 grams of carbon in the form of charcoal was measured out, which is a slight stoichiometric excess. They were combined in a blender dedicated to chemistry, and ground until a uniform powder remained. Next, the powder was added to a steel dish, which was placed inside of another steel can. The mixture was heated in a propane furnace until glowing bright orange and held at that temperature for 5 minutes. At these high temperatures, the carbon reduces the antimony 3 oxide to elemental antimony, which collects as a liquid at the bottom of the steel lid. Once fully reacted, this can was allowed to cool, and then the antimony was removed and added to a beaker. Although there were some nice large chunks of antimony, there was also some steel stuck to some of the antimony, so some concentrated hydrochloric acid was added. Concentrated hydrochloric acid could be purchased from hardware stores as muriatic acid. The beaker was then heated to increase the rate of dissolution. The steel contamination, unreacted antimony 3 oxide, and any iron oxide present dissolved into the hydrochloric acid, but the antimony was left untouched. Once everything had dissolved, the mixture was filtered off, rinsed, and dried in a dish on a hot plate. In the end, 18.08 grams of elemental antimony was obtained, corresponding to an 86.5% yield based on the starting antimony oxide. A nice large chunk was formed, which is perfect for my element collection, and the rest of the antimony will be used in future reactions to explore some fun antimony compounds. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in a future project. Okay, bye.